Hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. We're doing another Technique Tuesday and we're doing a little salsa arm styling series due to a request. So here we are. So this is another pattern that we have step-by-step up on our website. So if you want to learn the actual steps, go ahead there. So we're just going to talk about the arms today. We'll actually go from this direction. We're going to do the crossbody lead with the inside turn, but we're going to talk about the arms. So demonstrating, we go like this, and then we do a big turn. We finish with the basic, and we can do some fun arm styling there, okay? So let's do that one more time, demonstrating with Chris, and then we'll talk about it without him. We go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. All right? Okay, so since we're talking about the followers today, we're just gonna do it with me. So basically, while you're turning, you're gonna keep your arm nice and tight to your body, and then at the end, you're gonna bring your elbow in, shoot it up and out, an option to finish it out wrapping it around the head. That's one of my go-tos, especially for salsa. It's super fun. So before we talk about it with the feet, let's just do it together. So I'm assuming we can all do this. We're gonna start with our left hand in front of our chest, lifted like so. From here, we're gonna bring our elbow down and in, pointing our arm up. We shoot it up. I like to twist it and flip my palm to the floor, and then from there I just break my elbow, wrapping around my head and bringing it down. From there you can naturally bring it back to dance position, okay? So from in front of our body, we bring our elbow down, shoot it up, flip it around the head. You can bring it all the way down the body, kind of do that as much as you want. Arm styling is always optional, and there's many different ways you can do it. This is just one way. One more time before we try it with the feet. We bring it in, up, twist, down, and around. Okay, so from this direction, what it's gonna look something like, we start with the basic step. We do it in front of our body, bringing it across slightly so it doesn't hit our partner. As we do our big pivots, from here, we bring it down and shoot it up. And then to finish out that basic step, you just bring it around to your partner. One more time, you can try it with me if you feel confident. We go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Okay, so that is a basic way that you can add some salsa arm styling to your crossbody lead and inside turn. Again, check out our website, ballroomfeed.com, if you want to learn those steps step by step with the feet and everything like that, okay? If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and we'll see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.